the truck, the LN9000. Nothing special about this really, except the transmission. The transmission is a 20-speed transmission, and you drive it like this. This is in the normal selection. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but that's not the way you drive it. It would be 1, 2, 3, 4, like a 2-speed rear. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's for driving down the road. Once you get off road, one lever back, now you're in deep reduction, and it's really good. Now you got double deep reduction. Very good for speed control. The truck will literally move a house if you have traction. Will climb up good hills, not needing a lot of gas. I don't think I've ever had to give it throttle to climb anything. And you don't want to, because you got so much torque on stuff in double reduction. But that's really good. Like I said, the truck's an 81, spent his whole life in the dirt. And it's got the swing axle. Okay.